here, you little demon. You little demon. Get back here. Where are you going? That's it. That's it. Baby arm wrestle time. You ready? Oh, 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 oh! Look how strong you are. Oh, you're the winner. You're the winner. The winner.
Honey, what's that bling on your finger?
That?
He's just too.
Wait, look at your mouth. You got so excited you drool. All right, here we go. We're doing it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, ooh, oh! Look at how he's a winner. Oh, how's he doing it? He's so strong. Oh, oh! Look at him go. Oh, he's almost got him. No, he doesn't. So strong. So strong. Daddy sees you. You want to say mama? You want to say mama? Oh, there's one for you, mother. He's like, no.
Oh my goodness. Are you okay?
Oh, oh. He's so excited. He's a, So what are you doing? So what's up? What's up? So, you want to be a basketball player? There he is. But you know you're white, right? It's time to run away! Hey, buddy. Let's get your hands out. There you go. Wait for it. He's going to go, wah!
What are you doing? Can you say hi, Grandma?
Oh, he's trying. We say hi, Grandma. Say, yo, what's up? Yo, what's up, what's up? Bitches love my faux hawk. Where are you going?
Tell Grandma that you just got your shots. They were terrible.
Minus the women in the lobby.
Look at you go.
Bumper cars! Where you going? What are you doing? Labba, labba, labba. Uh-oh, Daddy's coming in for the real deal. Uh-oh. Hey, don't run away from me. Where you going? Get back here. Daddy got you. Daddy got you. Oh, what are you doing? So what's up? Alright, that's enough.
What do you mean that's enough?
That's enough.
I think your mom would beg to differ.
My mom doesn't have it saying it, does she? Mom better shut her mouth. She knows what's good for her.
Your mom will slap that right out of you.
What?
Slap
I
that right
bitch
out of
slapped
you.
my mother many times.
Oh,
I'll do
whatever.
it again.
Whatever.
What?
Oh. Hi. Hi, little bear. Hi. are so cute. You are so stinking cute.
These bitches love my style. Bitches love my style.
Little bear.
Little bear, let me in. You tell Mama. You tell Grandma.
Okay.
You say, where you at?
You're making him sad.
Where you at, Grandma? Whoa! Where you going?
Away from you.